Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5 or Part 5 since I can't really do days because my days is kind of messed up. So Vlogmas Part 5. Today we are going to do some snowman Play-Doh with a little additive extra glitter to it. So if you guys want to see how to make some snowman Play-Doh, is my lips good?
Snowman Play-Doh.
I think I'm good, y'all. You want to see?
Yeah.
We have our little, our helper. Huh, you gonna help?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna help make some Play-Doh. Look right in there. So tell them what you're gonna do. You don't want snowman Play-Doh, right?
Yeah,
so if you want to see us make some snowman Play-Doh and how to do it, it's basically like Play-Doh. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. A thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Good. Stuff all on your face.
Stop eating them.
I'm not eating them. No, I'm not eating your face. So if you want this recipe, make sure you check the link down below. So we are about to start making the snowman Play-Doh. So the ingredients will be in the link provided. It will be in my website. So if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go over there and visit it. But let's get started. If I can get my daughter back, she's up here playing with her uncle. She's playing with her uncle. She got distracted, y'all. Mel, you ready to make Play-Doh?
Go make Play-Doh. Come on, let's play. Let's go make Play-Doh. No.
Okay, so you're gonna need your pot. You ready?
Ready.
I don't know if it's a good angle.
I need glitter.
You got glitter? You see them? Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay, so we have our glitter. So the items you'll need is flour.
Flour.
So how much flour do you need? 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup.
Tell them.
1/2 cup.
Of flour. Say of flour.
Of flour.
1/2 cup of flour. Whoa. Make sure you get over the bowl, huh? We don't eat flour, baby girl. So we need 2 tablespoons.
Then 2 tablespoons.
And 2 teaspoons of salt. Stop eating the flour. Stop, Amelia, it's not food. Stop eating the flour. This is for our snowman. You're not gonna have no snowman left. Amelia, stop eating the snow. You wanna help me build it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons of salt. 1. Wait. Yes. 1. 2. Then you need 1. Wait, baby. 2. And we need 1/2 cup of water. Okay, so we need some water. Okay, pour the water in. So tell them we need 1.5 teaspoon oil. Look at them, tell them. Say 1.5 teaspoon oil.
Oil.
So you want to pour it? And glitter. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Do you want to go have a snack?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, I'm going to have a snack, guys. I'll see you later. Tell them.
I'll see you later.
I'm going to have a snack.
Have a snack.
Okay, here.
I still remember how I used to
What's on the Play-Doh? Okay, now we're all done with the Play-Doh. Oh. And it has the glitter flakes in it. You can see it. The little red dots.
I need one more.
So if you have white Play-Doh, white glitter, it'll shine a lot more. Amelia.
Yeah. That's a head. Snowman head.
The snowman head.
But we need it. Oh, and my face.
Yeah. So thanks for joining us in making this lovely snowball of Play-Doh. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so you can see more of this wonderful content that's mostly tailored to children. If you want to see what we do with this Play-Doh, stay tuned.
You too.
And check us out tomorrow, because that's when it's coming. Thumbs up, Amelia. So don't forget to comment. So thanks for watching. Tell them.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to comment, rate,
Bye.
and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later.
Goodbye.
Bye. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my button, scarf, and hat. When it gets so warm, when it gets so warm, I will melt. So, we will check you guys later. Bye.